almost made it to the end before that came out. Anyway, I'll go and finish that off here in a second, but I think that pretty much cleaned. I'll run it across the bottom here as well. A couple things I want to point out. It occurred to me why it is that that did not stay hollow there. Why the sand stuck. I did check my trellis, and sure enough, there's a void there to make this look like a gear, but there isn't. That didn't work here, and I think I know what the issue is. When I did my trellis, these segments were all loose, and I just put these caps on to interconnect them and such. But with this, I glued everything together. Same with the curves. Everything's glued together, so it was one rigid, or as rigid as could be, object that I could pour. And the hope was that I wouldn't have too much bend or curvature. I had quite a bit of bend and curvature with my trellis. It didn't look too bad when it was all finally put together. Anyway, in that molding process, I was able to take these portions out, and then the interconnects were left in the sand, so I could give them some extra tap before pulling them out, and the sand actually released from the... All right, I think that my GoPro bombed out on me. What I was saying is that, and I'm not sure how much was captured, so sorry if this is repetitive. Anyway, with this being a separate piece from these two pieces, when I did my trellis, I was able to give it an extra tap, and it came freely, leaving that sand core, I guess you could say, for lack of a better term, so that when it filled. Although I just got finished, and I don't remember in what sequence this shows up as the videos are dropping, but I just used my nephew's drill press to for my aluminum flask, drilling the hole so that I can connect those panels together. And as I was doing that, I was thinking, I bet I can use a drill press to drill this out. So I'll have to see if I have a bit. I may not do it here. I may wait till I get everything all cast, all the pieces cast, and then go through and drill all of them out, from the curves to these the two vertical legs, and then of course I'll have the horizontal shelf that also has these, and if I end up drilling that, I'll drill everything out. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and wrap that up, even though I still need to get that portion there, and then I also need to saw that off. I'm not in my shed, I'm in my garage, so I'll have to grab the hacksaw. I don't think there's any need to film that. All right, that's kind of the next stage of the plant shelf. Thanks a whole bunch for watching. If you found this video entertaining, informative, or any such things like that in any way, shape, or form, please like and subscribe. Blessings.